Good morning, Richard Borston here with Gravel Driveway Recovery. We are out in Gainesboro, Tennessee, and we have got a mountain here, my friends. So there's a house up there. There's a road there, and we gotta connect the dots. So this is existing. You can see where the water is dumping in. You can see where they've been trying to manage all this. And you can also see how it's cupping in here. So it's trapping all this water and forcing it down. But that's not the real issue. The real issue is they decided to try to crown this and dump this half of the water into this ditch, but the way that it's pitched is not actually, they didn't get it up enough to get it in there. And so it's not getting into that ditch. We're gonna forget that ditch. That ditch is gonna serve up here, grab this water. We're actually gonna take it and pitch it this way. We're gonna pitch the whole road this way. That's gonna get all this water into this grass here, and it'll just get absorbed. It won't go anywhere. And there is actually some ditches down along here that can grab any excess water. And that's what we're gonna do today. So we got a fun one coming up. Hopefully you'll stay around and see how we do it. So you can see how Joey's cutting this, getting this pitched out. Still wanting to go this way some from the original crown. So we're just gonna keep grading this out. Whoop. Sorry for my fingers there. We're gonna keep grading this out and getting this pitched this way. Alright, so we got this graded out. We're just waiting for that first load to come in. I'm gonna roll it right now, get it all tightened up, then we'll get the trucks up here, get to work. Here you go. This is what it looks like now. This hill is done. It is pitching this way. What we did on this one is we just brought in some crush. This was packing so hard. I was getting like 100 to 120 guys that are rolling, at least with hams, you know what I'm talking about. Way harder than we need for gravel, and it was just performing. So we decided to not put in the 2-inch. We just put it in the crush, graded it out so everything's pitching this way. This ditch here, we're not worried about. It's going to grab the water that's running into here, get pulled out, and go on its way. We still got down here to do. You can see we got the 2-inch down there. I'll zoom in for you. Yeah, there's the 2-inch down there. There it is. Yeah. And then we've got this up here. So we're actually bringing in 2 more loads. We're just gonna fill it in even more and get that cupping that was there out of the way. So that's what we're doing. Look at this beautiful view we got here. Hope you're enjoying it. Hope you're having a great day. I'm going to catch you up on the last part here once we get that done, and then we'll get you out of here. Well, here's the finished part. As you might imagine, this was tricky. We've got a slip coming down this way, slip coming this way, and then it's rolling this way. So a little hard to get all this right, but let me show you how it looks now. back off a little for you here. You all can see. So the idea is that we're just going to be, the water that does make it down here is just going to flow and run off. We've flattened this up. We've lifted this a good probably like about 8 to 12 inches. This was all cupped in here. Let me get down here so y'all can see a little better view. So this was all cupped in here. We lifted this up and then it dipped right in here. You can see now it's just a steady flow. So as people come up, they can come up, come around, and drive up. We also changed up this connection in here so that most of the water we're trying to get into that grass, but then also in here we wanted them obviously to be able to get normal access to their driveway and their home. This is all flowing in here. You can see right here is a great example of, I'm gonna zoom in for you. You can see right in here how much we've built up this area. That culvert right there is a 15-inch culvert. So you can get an idea of how much we built up in this corner. Just flattened it out so it's not tipping. Well, that's all that I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed your time. I sure appreciate you hanging out with us. And God bless.
We backed that trailer in at dawn. Dust on the boots, sleeves rolled on. 10 loads deep and a long hard grade. We spread that rock and we set that blade. Hands were sore and the sun got mean, but you stayed tuned into every scene. Laughing with us through the grind made a hard job feel like a good